Hi everybody, it's Pat Taylor from TTT Realty, and today I want to tell you about something that's new and exciting. One of the things we've always loved about Central Florida is how vibrant it is and how much is going on and how we are growing. Well, this neighborhood I want to tell you about is called Sunbridge, and as you can see, there's not much. It is going to be, though, 24,000 acres, developed by the Tavistock Development Group. The property straddles Orange County and Osceola County, and there's going to be a mixed use of homes, businesses, commercial space. But the biggest thing that I love is that 13,000 acres are going to remain in conservation and for wildlife use. There's also going to be a small working farm, produce available, farmers market every weekend. It's going to be a really exciting place. So why am I here today showing you nothing? Because it has begun. Right over here, you'll see Webb, the biggest builder of 55 plus communities, has just started their brand new Sunbridge community. And I'd like to take a look at it. It's going to be really exciting and I want to show you all about it.